Now, what I'm going to do here is, let me just make sure everything is center aligned, because I'm going to add the hero image later on. Also, let me make the divider also center aligned, right? We also have the sub headline here, which is 18. So let me get that to 16 and make sure any kind of line changes is changed here. So let me get that corrected as well. Looks nice. Now we have the button here. Let me just make it center, right? And instead of 18, let me make it 15. Perfect. Looks nice. Regarding these kind of sliders, we don't really need them because we already had this one on the top. I think that should be good. It's specifically built for the desktop mode here because it just looks better. So that's the reason why. There's no other reason for this. So let me just delete this entire thing. Now what I can have is I can create a one column for this specifically. And then let me just make sure that the bottom section is literally 0, because we want to showcase that this roof is literally a part of the bottom section. Do you see that? It looks really, really nice in there. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the spacing is 0. So any kind of spacing that you can find on the left, right, and bottom, just feel free to make them 0. Same goes for the column too. There are a lot of hidden spacings, so you might not be able to understand initially, but then when you add the image, you kind of figure out as to why the image has some spacing. But then these are called as white spaces, or just remove them. All right.